Now we have arrived in my place, my garden, and then we try to find the material for make a coconut bonsai. So today we try to find it, the fallen one from the tree. Okay, hopefully we are lucky to find one. So I suggest for everyone who want to make a bonsai, coconut bonsai especially, I have advice: don't pick the coconut from the trees directly. Today we try to find the fallen one, because fallen one coconut must be old and then easier to growing up to make it bonsai. Oh, see, I found it. Lucky, very lucky. We find it. So it's fallen from this tree. Look. This. It's very bad angle here. Here. It's very small. Because I suggest the smaller, more better. Oh, here, another one. See, another one. Okay, yeah, another one. See you in the operation room. Okay, so we found it 3 coconut for the material, make a bonsai, coconut bonsai. So we have to choose which one better. Smaller like this is very good. More smaller, I suggest, is better. I give you advice, so make it different from the weight, you know. The heavier, then better. So today we try to just fill up all of it, so we can see which one better. But I guess this one is better because the sound of the coconut water inside and the weight of the coconut is depending the good quality. Today we have to fill up this. Okay, see you next. This we have to fill up the coconut. Last time we found it in the garden. So okay, we just like this. See, okay, we found it, and then we do it the second one. So we just pick up. All right, we done the processing, the fill up. So now we take the next step, and we have to dip the coconut to the water, and then keep it about 10 days or 15 days until the coconut is grow up. Okay, after we fill up the coconut skin, become like this. So we have to put like a jar or anything just dip it the coconut into the water until the coconut is grow up like this. See? Okay. See? This is last time about a month ago. I did about a month ago. So after this processing, we have to dry it up the coconut before we just take the skin off, you know, because it's like the wet condition like this, just impossible to make it clean, you know. So we have to dry it up like this. This is the best time to make it clean. So next we have to show you how to clean the coconut become bonsai. Just follow me, okay? We try to clean up the skin, you know. We're using the sandpaper 120 and here 109, you know. This is the very hard. This is the soft one. The first thing we have to use the hard one, you know, to make it fast. Okay, just use this. After we do the cleanup processing, the result is be like this. It's very shiny, and then there's black color, very shiny. It's good view, you know. See? So after this, what we can do next to grow up the coconut bonsai? So we have to make it the, you know, the root. Like this, you know, we can put on the bottle. Okay, follow me. So guys, I just found the mineral water. I just throw the water inside. I cut like this shape, you know, to make it the stand, so it's not falling down, you know. And we use the like what is called this? Just like a fabric, you know. Just do like this to make it wet, you know, and just put like this. Let it be here about 2, 3, 5, 6 months, depend on your style, and then become very good, because everybody is different feel about the beauty. So we just do like this. Okay, follow me. Okay, everyone, this is the result I do for a couple months to make the good result. So just for the better. And then I suggest you to avoid, you know, to put the coconut bonsai into the sunlight directly, because and you find like this, you know, it's broke up, you know, like it's cracking. Never put into the direct sunlight. If you follow my step, I sure you will find the best result, you know, to make it the best result. Just follow my step. All right, guys, look at that. It's so beautiful. One of best my work. This is the best thing I had. See, the step I already show you, and hopefully you follow my step and get lucky. You get one very good, very beautiful of the one of masterpiece. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe and like, so you can support my channel become the very good channel, the best channel. All right, see you. Thank you everyone.